Hey folks, it's been a while since I made a video, but here's a ripping song, Makin Whoopee. Making Whoopee in the key of G, and I'm going to run to. It's got a few chords in it, but if we try and arrange the chords so that they link together or they're close together, that's your G. We all know how to play G. If you keep that shape and you move it to the next 3 strings, and then down a fret. Remember, down is down in pitch. Add a little finger. And that's the way I like to approach it, because you can usually jump your G. You're pretty good at getting G by now. So if you play G here, then add your little finger. That's your G sharp diminished. Push your first finger into A minor. Add a finger for D7, and then we go back to G. What happens after that? Oh yeah, G7. And then C. See what we've done there? So G7, kept that finger on, moved it up. And the reason we do that is it's kind of gets a flow, and your fingers, if they stay on, that helps you to get the next chord. So let's just do that much. Move that one up. G, G7. Keep that finger on, move it up. Add those 2 fingers for C minor. G again. And this time we're going up to E flat 7. Don't be scared. It's just D7 moved up 1 fret. So keep that finger on, slide up there, make a bar, E flat 7, D7. See, that finger stayed on for all of them, so it was G, E flat, D, back to G. And now we've got a D augmented, which is a beautiful chord. We could go, can you see that? 2nd fret, oh sorry, 3rd fret, then bar that's the chord. It could be, if you play the 7th, it could go, or you could play the root note, put a D up high, it's nice, or you could put, I think for me, that's easy, quick. So we go. There's your augmented chord. Or I might mix it up. I might like that D on the top, so I'll go C. So at the end of some verses, I'll do one or the other, and they're all right. They're all correct. So if I choose to do that one, and you choose to do this one, then it'll be fine. It'll probably be a bigger sound if we were in a group together. Or sometimes I might just want to play the augmented note, because that's the killer in the chord. That's the one we want, the sound. So we might go. Isn't that a beautiful note? Or we could play it down here, I suppose. It makes more sense if you're just going to play that note. Anyway, I digress. Then we get to the middle 8, I suppose you call it, and we've got an F diminished. And our F is here, and we build a diminished chord on that. So now, that chord before was G sharp diminished because of where's the G sharp? Oh, there. But now it's an F diminished. Picture the same sweet love nest. A minor, C minor, down with the roses. Clang, there's your G. Picture the same sweet love nest. C to what a year can bring. Sorry, augmented. Another bright, another June, another sunny honeymoon, another season, another reason for Making Whoopee. A lot of shoes, a lot of rice. The groom is nervous, he answers twice. It's really chilling that he's so willing to make a whoopee. He doesn't make much money. Oh, I buggered it up. Anyway, that's pretty much the whole song, folks. Just try and link all those chords together, and then, like, I'm trying to let you see it, so I'm sort of playing it funny a bit, but if you try and move it, once you get an idea of where they all are, try and have minimum movement. Oh, I went up one too high, but I faked it, didn't I? Went up to E. Make me. I hope you enjoyed that. Hey, give me a subscribe or a thumbs up, and a subscribe. Maybe even hit the bell. I promise I'll do another video soon.